I'm going to show you how to make traditional hot and sour soup. The white rice vinegar and the white pepper are the key ingredients. They bring a fine combination of acidity and spiciness. In this new version, we do not need to prepare a broth. Start by soaking 1 ounce of glass noodles and half 1 ounce of dried black fungus mushrooms during the rest of the preparation. Cut 5 ounces of bamboo shoots into small sticks. In this soup, we finely chop all the ingredients. When we take a spoonful, we want to get all the flavors and textures at once. Put the bamboo in a small saucepan and boil it for 10 minutes to remove its bitterness. Also slice 1 carrot. First cut a small slice to stabilize it. Then do the same as with the bamboo shoots. Cut slices, line them up, and cut them into thin strips. Grate a piece of ginger to get 1 teaspoon. Slice 1 spring onion. Cut half an ounce of cilantro into sections. The bamboo shoots are boiled for 10 minutes. Drain them. Today, I'm using soft tofu, but you can also use medium firm tofu. Its tender texture will contrast with the crunchiness of the vegetables. Cut it into small sticks. Drain the glass noodles and cut them into small pieces. As they cook, they will swell and add consistency to the soup. Drain the black fungus mushrooms and remove their stems. Roll them up and cut them into thin strips. Even cooked, they bring crunch. Slice half a pound of pork meat into sticks. You can use belly or loin. You can also use chicken instead. Slice the meat first, then cut it into sticks. Beat 2 eggs. Dilute 5 tablespoons of cornstarch with a half cup of water. We will use it to thicken the soup. Prepare 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce with 1/2 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Heat a saucepan over high heat. Add 1/2 tablespoon of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the meat, separate the pieces, then stir occasionally for 5 minutes. This will lightly sear them and give them a nice aroma to enrich the flavors of the soup. Then add the grated ginger and stir for 10 seconds. Add the carrot and stir for 30 seconds. Then add the bamboo shoot and black fungus mushrooms. Stir for a minute and a half. A pleasant aroma rises. Stir-frying the ingredients is one of the important points to make this soup delicious. It brings out their flavors and gives depth to the soup. Add the soy sauces by pouring them around the edges of the pan and stir for 10 seconds. The flavors of the sauces concentrate and intensify. Add 6 cups and 1/4 cup of water, the glass noodles, and 1/2 tablespoon of salt. Mix. Cover and let heat. When the broth comes to a boil, turn to medium heat. Mix the diluted cornstarch well and add 1 ladleful at a time, stirring continuously. This is how we control the thickness of the soup. You can stop adding it as soon as the soup reaches the desired texture. We do not want it to become too thick. Here, I add all the cornstarch I prepared. Now add the tofu and gently stir. When it comes back to boiling, turn to low heat and slowly pour in the beaten egg. To make it look nice, pour it along a chopstick. In the already thickened soup, it forms thin ribbons of egg. Stir gently and turn off the heat. Now, off the heat, add 4 tablespoons of white rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, and 1/2 tablespoon of ground white pepper. Stir briefly. And it's ready. Serve the hot and sour soup. Sprinkle some spring onion and cilantro. You can enjoy it with jasmine rice for a complete meal. Bon appétit! What's delicious about this soup is the warmth of the white pepper and the acidity of the white rice vinegar. All the textures of the small piece ingredients blend together wonderfully. This is a reminder of the key points for making this soup a success. Cut all the ingredients finely. Stir-fry the meat, carrot, bamboo shoot, and mushrooms. Add the diluted cornstarch gradually. Drizzle the beaten egg into the already thickened soup. Off the heat, season well with white rice vinegar and white pepper. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish.